You want to speak fluent English like native speakers. Then stop memorizing words and start focusing on learning collocations. Collocations are natural word combinations that go together naturally. They help you speak fluently, confidently, and clearly. Like instead of saying strong rain, we say heavy rain. Instead of saying that it is powerful coffee, we say it's a strong coffee. So focusing on collocations actually helps you improve your natural English language fluency. Welcome to Fluency Goals. I'm Mandeep, and today in this lesson we are going to learn powerful English collocations that will help you express what you are thinking clearly. It helps you in expressing your emotions, your thoughts, your opinions, and your ideas clearly and confidently. So let's quickly jump into the lesson. Let's first learn collocations using the word think. So to express your thought, you can say, I honestly think that. I honestly think that she is the best person for the job. Or I personally think that this movie is overrated. I hate to think that what could have happened if we had arrived late. Or I dread to think what the boss's reaction will be. I shudder to think how much money she spent on that bag. So the last three collocations, they express a bit of negative thoughts. Moving on to collocations to express your opinions. In my opinion, we should invest more in education. Or, I strongly believe that everyone deserves a second chance. Or you can also say, I take the view that, in order to express your opinion, I take the view that hard work matters more than talent. You can also say, I subscribe to the theory that. I subscribe to the theory that success is 80% mindset. So what you are thinking actually shapes your success story. Or you can also say something like, my take on this is followed by that. My take on this is that we need a different strategy. Sometimes when you are expressing your thoughts, you are not quite clear on your thoughts and you need a bit of time to think more clearly. So these collocations are going to buy you that time or they will allow you to express that you need a bit of time to process your thoughts. So you can say, I need to think carefully about. I need to think carefully about the consequences. Or you can also say that I'll give some thought to whatever you're thinking about. Say, I'll give some thought to your suggestion. Or you can also express deep thinking by saying, I had a long thought about this. I had a long thought about your offer and decided to accept it. Or when you want to say that you want to think deeper into something, you can also say hard think. So you need to have a hard think about your priorities. Remember here, hard think is the collocation, so you will not just change it into thought here. So you'll say you need to have a hard think about something. You need to have a hard think about your priorities. Or you can also say something like, we need to think hard and long before making our next move. So think hard and long about something. Or if you need more time on thinking about something, you can also use collocation sleep on it. You can simply say, I'm not sure about it, let me sleep on it. That means you are just buying time for long and hard thoughts. Now moving on to the collocations to express what others think. So sometimes in a meeting you have to put forth the views of others. So how will you express that? So you can simply say something like, it's a common knowledge. It's a common knowledge that she is planning to quit. Or it's a common knowledge that the company is planning to expand its business. So something that everybody knows. Or you can say it's a widespread belief. Something that majority of the people believe. It's a widespread belief that climate change is man-made. Or if there are some people who think otherwise, you can also say the opinions are divided. Opinions are divided on effectiveness of this policy. Or you can also say to express the thoughts of general people around in majority. The general consensus is that remote work boosts productivity. Or to express a particular opinion of a particular group of people, you can also say there's a school of thought that says failure is essential to growth. Sometimes you have some doubts or some mixed feelings. Now, what are the collocations that you can use to express those mixed feelings? You can say that I have a nagging thought about this. I have a nagging doubt, or I have a nagging thought that this plan will work. Sometimes you are struggling with some thought, some problem, some issue. You can say, I am struggling or I am wrestling with this idea or thought or problem. He is wrestling with the decision to move abroad. And if you can't decide between two things, you can also say, I'm in two minds about attending the party. So I'm in two minds about something. You can also simply say that I can't make up my mind about. I can't make up my mind about which dress to wear. So these were the collocations that you could use to express your thoughts or your opinions. Now I would like you to make some sentences of your own and post them in the comment section. And if you have liked this lesson, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with as many people as possible. I'll see you next time with another lesson. Till then, happy learning.